Dispersion is what we're going to look at now. So dispersion of light. Now, the first thing I have to do is ask a question. What colour light is coming out of the ray box?
White. Yellow.
White.
Yellow.
It's a little bit yellowy, which means that we don't get all the colours. You're quite right. But let's, for argument's sake, say that it's white. And what we've got here is a triangle called a prism. And a prism has got a certain angle. So it's what we call an equilateral triangle if you look down on it. So they're all 60 degrees. But because it's a special shape and made up of glass, or you can have them in plastic, then it will do some special things to light. And that special thing it does is called dispersion. So I'm going to put it here and I'm going to rotate it until I see something cool happen. Hope that I get it right.
Yeah.
And there we go, we get our little rainbow. Now it might not be too easy to see on the video, so I took a photograph of it as well. So what we've got here are the colours. Which colour is on this side here? Red. Now, you actually know every single one of those colours in there because you had to learn them for another reason. Someone said rainbow, so who can remember the little name? Well done, Roy G. Biv. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, which are both shades of purple. So if you just call them purple, I'll be happy with that. So if you call it Roy G. BP, then I'm okay with that. All right. Which one is changing direction the most?
The rainbow.
Which part of the rainbow? The purple side or the red side?
The purple.
The purple side bends the most. What do we call the bending of light? Refraction. So one of your things today is to explain this in terms of refraction. Which colour is refracted the least? So changes direction the least? Red. So what's happening inside the prism that breaks white light up into a rainbow or spectrum of colours? Not reflecting, but refracting. Cool. So there's refraction happening in here, and that makes sense because it's a different medium. It's glass. Right, remember that word medium we did earlier? Okay, so your job today is going to be to define what dispersion is. So it's turning white light into a rainbow, and the right word for that is the visible spectrum, or the spectrum of colours. And those colours are, what's the word? Roy G. Biv. Great, you can put the words with those in a moment. Then you have to explain what's happening inside the prism, and that will get you up to a relational level, which I think we can all get to. Now, for those who are really onto it, you might be able to find some reasons why they refract different amounts, but that's getting up to level 1 and level 2 NCEA understanding. So I've put that as our abstract thing for today, to understand why dispersion happens. So if you get that far, that's fantastic, but I don't expect it from all of you. All right? The other thing that's pretty cool is if I get all the colours and I put them back together, what colour do you think I make? White. Okay, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to show you that very quickly. So I'm going to need someone to video that.